Good morning, children. Jai Hind. Welcome to computer class. Children, in the last class we have drawn train engine to travel around. But what if your family wants to join you? So for that, today we are going to draw train bogies with the train engine. So firstly, I am going to quickly draw train engine we have drawn last time by taking rectangle tool, and I'm going to quickly draw that engine again. Big box for the engine, like this, and one on the top of this box, and two windows, two chimneys on the engine. So this is the body of our engine. Now I'm going to join this engine with the train bogie. For that I'm going to draw big box for the train bogie, and we are going to join it with the engine, and again one more I'm going to draw, and again I'm joining it with the first bogie. And you need to set the level of the boxes. Now I'm going to draw two windows in each bogie, like this. For the wheels of the train, we are going to use oval tool, and we are going to start from the engine. Two wheels in each box, like this, and the wheels should be of same size. Try to make it of same size, and one big wheel for the engine, as we have drawn last time also. We are going to erase this line very carefully with the help of eraser, and one more circle inside it. And detailing to the wheels. Now the smoke from the chimney we have drawn with the help of brush tool. So I'm going to use brush here. First brush I'm going to take, and I'm going to draw the smoke coming out from the chimneys, like this. So our train is ready. We are going to fill colors with the help of fill with color tool. I'm going to draw the colors according to my choice. You need to do windows yellow, wheels black, and smoke gray. Rest of the colors you can do according to your own choice. So I am filling the colors according to my choice. You can fill as per your choice. So windows yellow, and wheels and this joint black. You need to color in this box of the wheels very carefully, as it is very thin and color can spread. Now for the smoke I'm going to do gray. So our train is ready. So try to make your own train to travel around with family and friends. Thank you and have a nice day.